Let's recommend good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Look at that. This is my Samsung Galaxy. No. This is my iPhone. iPhone 12 Pro Max. And today I received a new update for iOS that I want to install with you. Look at this phone. After many years. Can you see this? Wow. This phone is still beautiful and I like it. Honestly, it's so nice. Wow, look at the design. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Nice. No, this is my girl. Mm. Okay, this is also the version of iOS that I have. iOS 16.3.1. I have received notifications today that tell me that there are a new update right now. This is what I want to install with you. Look at that. This is a brand new iOS 16.4. You can see this update includes 21 new emojis and include other enhancement, bugs fixes, and security update for your iPhone. Seriously? Is it true? Okay, learn more. Okay, this is all information you need to know about this new update. What you need to know, what you have, everything. Can you see this? You can make pause, read everything by yourself. 21 new emojis, notifications for web application added to the home screen. Hmm. Voice isolation for cellular calls, priorities for your voice, and block out ambience noise around. Okay, no problem. I don't know if I'm ready to test everything, but I'm here just to install this new update with you. Now you have download and install. When you click, you need to enter your passcode. Okay? Okay. After this, have this. Update requested. You need to wait and download this thing, bro. Are you ready? Don't forget to click and share this video because this is amazing. Amazing. Okay. Get ready. The download process started, bro. Nice. Okay, wait with me. What is happening here? Look at that, my friend. What's wrong with this phone right now? I think that the update started. Hmm. Download finished. Now we are ready for the update. Can you see this? This is cool, bro. Okay, wait with me. Okay. Now your phone has been updated to iOS 16.4. Bro, what do you think? This is a brand new update. A brand new update is here in front of you right now. Okay, let me enter my passcode quickly. Nice. And this is what I'm talking about. Okay, March 4, 2023. No update. Okay, this is our phone. This phone look like after this update. Okay, let's go settings. General software update. Let's check. And this is what I'm talking about. No, your phone is good. Is iOS is up to date. Okay, let's see more informations about memory right now. Either 64, iOS 16.40 operating system. Look at everything. Okay, nice, good. No, let's see your memory. You can see available RAM right now 820. So really available storage 60 GB. Okay, I recommend you to restart your phone right now, my friend, because this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do right now. Yes, let's restart this one. Let's turn off this phone quickly. Okay, nice, great, and turn on again. Okay, very good, nice. Okay, now let's go. I will enter my passcode. Great. Okay. Welcome back. As you can see, is more optimized now. Good. Now let's go either 64. Let's see memory. Available RAM right now. Look at that. Available RAM. One gigabyte, bro. Thousand and you can see 1672. Can you see this? Wow, now it's cool. I recommend you to restart your phone after update. Yes, this is what you need to do to have better performance. Okay. People take fact there are more emojis. 21 new emojis. Can you see this? Can you see something new here? Yes. Look at this thing. Yes, this is new. This is new. Yes. Oh, the three, one, two, three first emojis. Everything this is really really new. It's really new. Yes, everything here. What I see here in this column are new. Yes, yes. Even face. I have not seen this. yet. Can you see this? Okay. Okay, nice. Good. No problem. Not bad. Dun, dun, dun. Have it. Mm, nice. Different emojis. Good. Okay, cool. And there are more and more updates that you will discover if you install this thing. Okay? Mm, nice. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Lost screen. Beautiful. Still good. Face ID. Working. Nice. Customization. Still perfect. Great. You can add what you want. Everything. Okay. Cool. Let's see more. Let's see more. Can you forget my purpose? Mm, okay. Okay. I think that my phone is now very optimized. I know this is good. This is good. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Thank you for watching. I also got to enjoy this setup review. And now I see you later for more videos in Studio 40. God bless you. Happy New Day. Happy New Update. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you. And this is amazing and beautiful girl. Wow.